In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on the Dreame app. So as you can see, guys, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. No jailbreaker computer is needed for this video. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super crazy, guys. This actually works. So if you do enjoy Dreame, guys, then keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So let's get right into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. As you can see on Dreame, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website, zoomods.com. They have a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's Zoomods. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to type in Dreame. So as you can see, guys, pops right up. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if you do like Dreame, guys, you are going to love this mod. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super crazy, guys. It actually works. And if we go to the App Store, you guys can see how expensive this is, which is why I do not recommend it. So as you can see, guys, when we type in Dreame and we go to in-app purchases, look how expensive it is, bro. $24.99. Nah, so don't get involved in this. It's not worth it in my opinion. All you gotta do is try this method out for yourself, get the word out. It's gonna work for you guys. It's super crazy though. It actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is ridiculous that you could get a Dreame hack and it's totally updated as well, which is crazy. So as you can see, guys, I got a ton of coins. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method because it actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. So yeah, if you enjoyed this type of content, you're going to love this method. So I'm going to see you guys later and enjoy this tutorial, guys. It is super crazy. I don't know who made this method, honestly, but it was an insane website I found on Reddit. So yeah, if you guys like this type of video, drop it down below. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super crazy, guys. This is ridiculous, and it is updated. So, yeah, guys, totally updated. I'm going to see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed it. It's super crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. Have fun with this method, and peace out, gang.